How to add discount pop-up on Shopify. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Apps. After selecting Apps, you're going to tap on App and Sales Channel Settings. Once you have done that, I want you to tap on Shopify App Store in the top right-hand corner. After selecting Shopify App Store, you're going to tap on the search bar right here and you're going to tap on discount pop-up, or better yet, you're going to type in discount pop-up. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this page, you can see that there are numerous apps that you can install and use. For example, if you'd like to use the spin the wheel pop-up, which a lot of persons tend to use, you can use this app right here. But we are going to be scrolling down, and the app that we'll be using for this example is Pop Convert. The reason why I recommend Pop Convert is, as you can see right here, it is highly rated as it has a 4.9 ratings, and you can see that it has gotten over 6,000 reviews. Also, it is completely free to use. And by scrolling down, you can read what other persons have had to say about it, so you can see that majority of their comments are positive. Next, you are going to tap on Install. After selecting Install, you'll be redirected to a new tab. Once on this new tab, to complete the installation, just give it a few seconds. You're going to tap on Install once more. After selecting Install, you'll be redirected to the Pop Convert dashboard. So just give it a few seconds to load up. Once it loads up, I'll be showing you how to create your first discount pop-up. You can also use this platform to create announcement banners and so on if you want. So you can see it right here. Now the next thing we're going to be doing, we're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. And right below campaigns, you're going to tap on pop-up. After selecting pop-up, you're going to see right here, create pop-up in the top right-hand corner. You're going to tap on that. Then from there, you can name your pop-up. So I'm going to name mine Test. Then what is the purpose of your pop-up? Select a goal. Would you like to get subscribers, traffic to a URL, an announcement, coupon, social shares? So since we're offering a discount, we're going to tap on coupon and then tap on create. After selecting create, you'll be redirected to this page. And at the moment, you can see how the pop-up looks, as you can see right here. Now, if you would like to edit it based on the color, so let's say, for example, you'd like to change the background color to match the color of your Shopify theme, you can do that by tapping on background color right here. So let's say you'd like to change it to yellow, you can do that. You can change it to a light blue. Any one of these colors that would match your theme, you can do that, as you can see right there. Another thing that you can do, you can edit the main title color and the text color. You can also add a background image if you want. And if it is a case that you would like it to fade in, you could simply pull on the overlay opacity, and then from there you'll realize that it has a faded look. Another thing that you can also do, if you would like to edit the content, meaning the text, you could go over to the left hand menu option and tap on content. Then from there, you can edit the text section. So for example, we could tap right here, and then you could make any changes to the text you want by typing in whatever information you'd like to add. You can also tap on form. So if you'd like to add more form fields, you can do that. So let's say, for example, you'd like to also collect their name. You could simply toggle on name, as you can see right there. If it is a case that you'd like to change the button text from subscribe to something else, you can do that. You can also tap on coupon right here. After tapping on coupon, you can enter your coupon code, which I will show you how to create. So you could enter your coupon code right here that you would like to provide. You can also select divider if you would like to divide it. And from here, you can also add your social media networks. So for example, you could paste in your Facebook page URL, your Instagram link, and also your Twitter and TikTok, as you can see right here. So you can connect all of your social media so it would be displayed at the bottom right there. Another thing you can also do, if you would like to add any block, for example a text or a button, you can do that. As you can see the different elements at the bottom of the page right here. Now to create your discount so that you can add the discount code right here, you are going to go over to the left hand menu option right where you see discounts. You are going to simply right click on that, as you can see discounts right here, and we're going to open it in a new tab. After opening discounts in a new tab, you are going to tap on create discount. Then from here you have a few options. Would you like to create a discount for an amount of products, or would you like, for example, buy X and get Y, or amount of order, or would you just like to offer free shipping? You have 4 different type of discounts that you can offer. So the one that we'll be selecting is amount of products. So we are going to tap right there. After you have done that, you can tap on generate random code, or you can add your code. You can create a code if you want. And the percentage that we're going to be giving off is 10%. Then after doing that, you're going to scroll down. From here, you can decide whether you like to offer the discount of a specific collection. So you could add the collection right there. You can also decide if there is a minimum purchase requirement that you would like to set. So you can do that right there. Discount applies to a specific product or collection. So you can select whichever one of these. So let's say, for example, I like to offer it off a specific product. So I'm going to select the product right there. Then from there, you can scroll down and you can decide whether there's a minimum purchase requirement. You can also select whether all customers will get access to this or only specific customers. Once everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do is tap on Save Discount at the bottom of the page. Now that the discount has been saved, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do now, you can copy the discount code. So let's do that real quick. Then we're going to go back into Pop-up Convert and we're going to paste the discount code right here. After adding the discount code, you could tap on Save in the top right hand corner. So let's do that. Once the changes have been saved, you could tap on Settings from the left hand menu option. And then from there, you can edit the widget settings. So for example, you can see right there, you can edit the time settings. So for example, do you want the widget to be displayed immediately or after closing? And you can also add the GDPR compliance if you want, and so on. Once everything is to your liking, we're going to tap on Publish in the top right hand corner. Then we're going to tap on Confirm. Now that it has been published, we're going to go over to the left hand menu option and we're going to select Online Store. After tapping on Online Store, what I want you to do next, you're going to tap on Customize. After selecting Customize, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on App Embeds. After tapping on App Embeds, you want to ensure that it is toggled on, as you can see it right here. So for example, we will toggle on Pop-up Convert. Then we're going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. And you can see an example of the pop-up right there. And if I should tap on the 3 dots, then go on to View so you can see how it looks. You can see that the pop-up appears immediately. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.